Hi kiddos, in this video we're going to be doing our different types of sentences page. We have talked many times in the classroom about the different types of sentences and the end marks that we use to end those sentences. So we know that most of the sentences that we write every day are simply statements or what we call telling sentences. So if I were to say the house is big or my cat's name is Chuck, those are just telling sentences. They're sentences where I'm telling you information. And we call those statements. And statements end with a period. You will find that most times when you are writing sentences, the period is the end mark that you will use. Sometimes, though, we have sentences that need a different end mark. An exclamation point, for example. We know that an exclamation point looks like a period, but it has a line coming down, almost like an upside down lowercase I. And an exclamation point is used when we're telling a sentence with a lot of excitement. My birthday is tomorrow. That's exciting. And that deserves an exclamation point. My birthday is not really tomorrow, but that's an exciting sentence that we would give an exclamation point to. I got a new puppy. That would be a sentence that would get an exclamation point. So when we have those sentences that have a lot of expression and a lot of excitement, we give them the exclamation point. And then the last end mark that we've learned about is the question mark. And the question mark says the type of sentence that it's used for in its name, a question. So when you are asking something, an asking sentence like, may I go to my friend's house tomorrow? Or may I have some macaroni and cheese? How old are you? What's your favorite color? All of those are asking sentences. And we know that an asking sentence is an asking sentence if we need an answer to respond to that sentence. So if I just said the house is blue, that's just a statement. But if I were to say, is the house blue? I'm looking for an answer. So that's a question or an asking sentence. So the page that you're going to work on today, hopefully you still have your paper clip from yesterday. And if you did not have a paper clip yesterday, I told you could either drop a penny or close your eyes and point. Either way, we're doing another one of our spinning pages today. So here's how this one will work. There are several sentences here. Okay, we have 15 sentences and none of them have end marks. And so you could just go through and read the sentence and add the end mark, but to make it a little fun, up here there is a spinning wheel. There's a period, which is used for a telling sentence, an exclamation point, which is used for an exciting exclamation, and a question mark, which is used when we are asking a question. So you will put your paper clip here with your pencil and you will spin, spin, spinny, spin, spin, spin. And then when it lands, okay, we landed on question mark, you will find a sentence that needs a question mark. So we'll go through and read the sentences, and you are such amazing readers. You are almost second graders. Okay, in fact, we've got about 1 month left of first grade and you will be second graders. So I know you can sound out these words and I know you can read these sentences. So you'll read the sentences until you find one that in this case needs a question mark. So this first one says, what do you want for lunch? Well, hey, that's a question right there because I'm looking for an answer. What do you want for lunch? So I can put my question mark on the line. So you can go ahead with me right now and draw a question mark right here. And then you go back and spin again. Bing. Okay, we landed on a period this time. So now I'm going to go through and look for a statement. So the next one says, that was the best party ever. Well, I feel like that's an exciting sentence, so that should probably have an exclamation point. So I'm not going to do that one. My sister is 4 years old. Hey, that's a statement, right? I'm not telling it with a bunch of excitement. It's not the most exciting thing I've ever told anyone, and I'm not asking how old she is. I'm telling you, my sister is 4 years old. So I'll put my period there, and then I'll go back and spin again. And you'll keep doing this until all 15 sentences have the proper end mark. Now, if you get to the point where you land on question mark and there's no more questions left, just spin again. And really, you could go through and add the end marks without spinning, but the spinning part makes it a little bit fun. So it's more like a game. So you're learning and playing a game at the same time. And that's always fun. Then when you're done, if you want to color this, you can. I have been blown away at some of your coloring the past couple of weeks. The more things that you're turning in on Dojo, the nicer your coloring's looking. I'm like, who are these kids? This coloring is like third grade coloring. It's so nice. So if you want to color those cute little puppy dogs in their dog bowl, you may, but you don't have to color this one. So go ahead and finish this page up, get all of your end marks put in for each of those sentences, and I look forward to seeing these on Class Dojo.